evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mukumiro Karonyaro Mishka. Mukumiro. My time. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to recognize the presence of Honorable Barbara Rhodzi, the Minister of Tourism and Hospitality, Honorable Emily Jesiah, the Deputy Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, all ministry officials here present, not forgetting the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe. An incredible night. I am so overwhelmed with gratitude and excitement to see so many familiar faces here. I see my Jilimba in the house. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. Thank you, my Jilimba. To my team, all the way from Nigeria, thank you for your tireless efforts, your dedication, your passion. This film wouldn't be possible without you. To my husband, my family, my friends, your love and support mean the world to me. Thank you for being my rock throughout this journey. I would also like to thank and acknowledge the government of Zimbabwe through the Ministry of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, as well as Ministry of Tourism and Hospitality for the support you gave me in this premiere. Thank you. And to everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes, thank you for bringing this story to life. Last but not least,